Every time your mechanic charges you hundreds for a throttle position sensor reset, remember this: it isn't a part replacement or an upgrade. It's just your car's computer learning how to breathe again. When the sensor gets out of sync, your car starts showing strange symptoms: rough idling, delayed acceleration, or even stalling. That's when a reset becomes necessary. Here's the part most drivers never hear about. There are actually different reset methods, including one that mechanics almost never mention to customers. Let's break it down. Method 1. Pedal dance reset. This first method is so simple, mechanics probably hate that I'm even saying it out loud. It's called the pedal dance, and here's why it works. Your throttle position sensor is basically like a forgetful friend. Over time, it loses track of what zero and full throttle actually mean. The pedal dance forces it to relearn those points. Here's how it goes. And timing is everything, so watch closely. Car completely off, keys out. No shortcuts here. Put the key in, turn it to on. Your dashboard will light up like Christmas morning. That's normal. Now, the critical move: slowly press the gas pedal all the way down. Take 4 full seconds to reach the floor. Don't rush. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Count it out. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. Release just as slowly. Another 4 seconds back up. Repeat that whole cycle 2 more times. Each round helps the sensor lock in its calibration. When you're done, turn the key off and wait 10 seconds. This pause is where the magic happens. Your car's computer is processing the new data. Finally, start the engine and test it. If it worked, you'll feel the smoother response immediately. Now, if the pedal dance didn't fix it, and for about 2 out of 10 cars, it won't, don't panic. That just means your throttle sensor is more stubborn than most. And this is where mechanics pull out what I call the nuclear option. It's the exact same reset they'll happily charge you $150 for, but you're about to see why it works, and why it's saved as the backup plan. Method 2, the nuclear reset. This method basically wipes your car's memory. Throttle settings, radio presets, even the clock. Think of it as hitting the factory reset button on your car's brain. It's more aggressive, but sometimes that's exactly what a stubborn throttle sensor needs. Quick warning before we start. If you love your radio presets, write them down. This process erases everything. Here's how it goes step by step. Turn the engine off and hood up. Safety first. We're about to mess with electricity. Find your battery. Look for the negative terminal, that's the black cable. Go grab a wrench to loosen the nut and pull the cable off. Make sure it doesn't touch metal. Now, wait 5 to 10 minutes. Seriously, grab a coffee. This downtime is mandatory so the computer fully clears. After 10 minutes, reconnect the cable securely. Tight, but don't overdo it. Now, turn the key to on, but don't start yet. Let the dashboard run its little light show. Then start the engine and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Hands off the gas. This is the relearning phase. Finally, take it for a test drive. Gentle acceleration, feel for smoother response. If it worked, you'll notice right away. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. There's actually a third reset method. This is the one dealerships use when nothing else works, and it's designed for the most stubborn throttle sensors out there. Think of it as the master key, the reset that reprograms everything back to factory perfect. And in just a second, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. Method 3, the Pro Diagnostic Method. This is the method dealerships use when they've tried everything else. It's called the Pro Diagnostic Method, and until recently, you needed expensive dealer equipment to do it. But now, you can get an OBD scanner for under $50 that does the exact same thing. First, You'll need an OBD scanner that supports throttle relearn functions. Don't worry, most decent ones do nowadays. Locate the scanner port under your dashboard. It's usually right beneath the steering column. Plug in your scanner and turn your key to the on position, but don't start the engine yet. Your dashboard will light up and do its thing. Now navigate to the main menu on your scanner and select your vehicle if it prompts you. Now, look for something called System Tests, Service Functions, or ECU functions. The exact wording depends on your scanner brand. Then find the option for Throttle Position Reset, Accelerator Pedal Relearn, or ETC Reset. Again, the terminology varies, but you're looking for anything related to throttle learning. Follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves turning the key off and on, or starting the engine when told. Some scanners will even show you live throttle position data so you can confirm the reset worked. Once your scanner confirms the throttle position has been successfully reset, turn off the ignition and remove the scanner. Start the engine, let it idle for a few minutes, then take it for a test drive. The computer will now use the new sensor calibration. Quick bonus tip before you go. Clean your throttle body every 20,000 miles. But here's the critical part. Never use carb cleaner or gasoline. That's like washing your phone with bleach. These are your 3 reset methods that can save you anywhere from $150 to $400. That's it. 3 methods that just saved you hundreds. Thanks for watching. And remember, you're more capable than you think.